Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making one of my favorite appetizers, which is roasted shrimp cocktail with smoked paprika and Sriracha Mayo. This is always a hit when I bring it to parties. While I love regular shrimp cocktail, which is just poached shrimp served with cocktail sauce, this version just takes it to the next level. I'm gonna roast it in the oven and end up with flavorful succulent shrimp that has a nice flavor from all the spices. And when you eat it with the creamy Sriracha Mayo, your mouth will be in heaven. Here's how I make roasted shrimp cocktail with smoked paprika and Sriracha Mayo. First, I'll start by seasoning the shrimp. I have 2 pounds of large shrimp already peeled and deveined. You want to make sure to pat them dry with some paper towel. If they're wet, they will steam rather than roast. I've also arranged these in a single layer so that they cook evenly. Now I'm just doing a light layer of kosher salt and some black pepper. I'm just using regular ground pepper rather than freshly grated because I don't want coarse pieces of pepper on the shrimp. You want to do just a light layer of salt because shrimp already has natural salinity in them. Then I'm adding a layer of granulated garlic. And finally, the key ingredient, which is smoked paprika. As the name suggests, this is going to add a nice sweet and smoky flavor to the shrimp. You might be wondering if there's a difference between regular paprika and smoked paprika, and the answer is yes. Regular paprika is just made from dried peppers, whereas smoked paprika is made from both smoking and drying peppers. If you only have regular paprika, you can use that, but it just won't have quite the same flavor. Now I'm drizzling a little bit of vegetable oil. I don't use olive oil in this recipe because I think it overpowers the flavor of the smoked paprika. You don't want to put too much oil or it will dilute the seasonings. I'm just going to use my hands to toss these and make sure that they are coated evenly. These are going to go into a 400-degree oven for 9 minutes exactly. While the shrimp is cooking in the oven, I can make the Sriracha Mayo. I've tried different variations of this, but I seem to like this simple version the best. It just has 2 ingredients, which is 1 cup of good mayonnaise and a 1/4 cup of sriracha sauce. You just stir that together until it's well combined. I usually refrigerate this until it's ready to serve. Alright, so this is what the shrimp look like when they come out of the oven. They look delicious. They're going to continue to cook a little as they rest. I transfer them to a plate so that they don't get overcooked from the residual heat from the pan. After they're done resting, I'm just going to put them in the fridge to chill. This is a great make-ahead recipe where you can just roast the shrimp and let them refrigerate overnight. So once it's chilled, I like to serve this on a board. I think using a board makes it look really inviting and casual, but it will look great no matter how you plate it. These are so flavorful and delicious. You can find the print-friendly recipe on my website at kevinkimura.com. Please subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a delicious rest of your day.